Hi students, and welcome to week 3 in your online lifespan growth and development class. This week we are going to look at the first 2 years of development. So in this chapter we will focus on the mind piece of development, and next week we'll stay in the same age range, but we'll be looking at the socio-emotional development. So let's take a look at our module for the week. So you have your PowerPoint slides here. You will have a video assignment in Connect over influences on infant brain development, and then your chapter 3 quiz. So there's not a writing assignment this week. You'll simply go into Connect and complete these 2 items. You're doing a great job. Keep up the good work. Hopefully you're figuring out how to navigate the course and work through the ebook and the assignments and so forth. If you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Have a great week.